Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be a seafoam spray into the intake. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself the can. It comes with the straw. I had to take the plastic protective off because it was kind of tricky to get it in there. I had to use a screwdriver like that to get it in. And once you do is you just hook it up like that. Oh, make sure it doesn't pop out. And then once you're good to go, you turn the car on and get someone to rev it up to like 2500 and spray it, the whole bottle. Of course, too, as I'm buttoning that up, drop the wrench way down there, somewhere around there, around the rad hose, so that should be fun. So once you're done spraying the whole bottle, what you're gonna do is shut the car off right away and wait about 5 minutes. And what that's gonna do, it's called hot soak, and what it's supposed to do is break up all the carbon and build up that is in the engine and on your valves and stuff like that. So we'll see if it works. After you hot soak it for 5 minutes and you start it up, it's going to smoke a lot, kind of like you blew a head gasket. Just let it idle for a bit. It'll be a little bit of a rough idle because of what you just did to it. But make sure everything's buttoned back up, and yeah, just go from there and take it out on a drive. The bottle says drive aggressively, so I'm do that as best as I can in the city without getting pulled over for a smoky car. So yeah. that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video a little bit at least. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want. Have a good one.